It actually looks like many digital agencies are going through a hard time, not just in Europe, but around the globe. And the reason number one is that many agency owners are afraid that they will be replaced by AI and that agencies will become irrelevant. And in this video, I'm going to show you how your agency will become even more relevant, how you can leverage AI and how you can provide more value, and which services and offers will never be replaced by AI. So if you are currently experiencing that clients are more hesitant to buy high ticket services, or that some clients even quit because they start insourcing their services or do the work themselves using AI, or even if you don't see any significant changes at all, you might still be wondering if agencies will become irrelevant. So let me show you how to position your agency today to ensure it grows profitably in an ever-changing world and make AI your best opportunity instead of your biggest threat. Now, before we start, let's have a look at why clients buy and how to make them buy from you, no matter if there is ChatGPT, OpenAI, or any other AI tools that might replace the services that you are currently delivering with your agency. Clients buy only because they have a problem. And the bigger the problem is, the bigger the pain is, and the bigger the motivation that they want to solve this problem. If you focus on tiny problems like, social media content creation, everyone can do it. Blog post writing, everyone can do it. You can automate it by AI. Yet these services, they will be replaced by AI. They are already replaced by AI. But that's not the problem. That's not why clients buy. They think they might need SEO optimized content, but what they really need is something else. And we get to this point. So if they have this problem, right, typically the problem never comes alone. It comes based on a set or created by a set of sub-problems. All these things that contribute to the ultimate problem. If the ultimate problem is the agency is growing too slowly and you don't have enough revenue growth, then typically you either don't have a well-positioned offer, or your offer is not valuable enough, or you don't have an established lead generation process, or you suck at sales closing, or whatever, right? All these sub-problems contribute to the ultimate problem. Now, what your clients want instead is the solution. And again, the solution is created by solving all the sub-problems or turning the sub-problems into sub-solutions. Okay, there is no big bang solution. There is just one step after another, solution after solution, and that altogether creates the ultimate solution. And that's what your clients want. But now there is a problem. Why do clients not get their solutions themselves? Even if they have ChatGPT on their phone, right? They still say, hey, but I don't know how I should do this, and I don't know how this works. And these beliefs that they don't know stop them from making the progress. And also there is fear. They fear failure. They are afraid of doing something wrong. That's why they want to rely on an expert. And they are still afraid, even if they have ChatGPT, because there is something in our human connection that is called trust. And people trust people more, if they are the right people, of course, than just an AI bot. Because there is empathy and there are emotions and all these things, right? And that is also a motivation why clients turn to a service provider to get a solution or to get a big problem solved, because they trust more in this solution than just in an app. So if you have this gap of your clients identified, then this is why they pay you money, because you build a bridge and you get them a fast lane to turn their problem into the solution. And the bigger the problem is and the faster you can solve it, the more money you can make and the more relevant you will stay in any market situation. Focus on solving big problems, one after another, basically solving small sub-problems to turn a big problem into the ultimate solution, will ensure that you solve big problems and that you stay relevant in any market situation. But let me give you an example on what you should not focus on and what are good services that will always work. Okay, let's talk about the difference between benefits and features. The benefits are what clients want if they consider buying what you sell. For example, let me repeat it. If clients want to buy SEO services or paid ad management, Facebook ads, Facebook campaigns, etc., They don't just want this thing. They don't want this SEO service. They don't just want the Facebook ad campaign. What they really want is more leads or more qualified leads or more clients or more revenue, right? That's why they think they want an SEO service or SEO blog posts or paid ads, okay? So the sub-solutions and the ultimate goal, they are always the benefit, the result of you completing the service in a way that it should be completed so that clients get what they really want, okay? The quality of the service, not how nicely you work with them, not how good the quality of your content is, but how this content creates results, tangible business results. Okay, so this is how features and sub-solutions or benefits work together. You create the features in order to create the sub-solution or the benefit. And when you created all the features, then you provided the ultimate solution, which means, for example, if you provide paid ad services, one feature is offer definition. The benefit is you stand out in a crowded marketplace and you stand out from your competitors. Or another feature is your landing page. The benefit is turn more visitors into leads, right? A feature could be a targeted Facebook ad campaign. The benefit is attracting more of the right quality leads that you can close in a sales call. Okay, and then the ultimate solution is, well, you get more leads, clients, and growing revenue. And the feature that provides this is, for example, a sales funnel. Okay, so that's the difference between benefits and features. You give away the features, but you sell based on the benefits. That's what clients really want. Good. Let's have a look at an example that will show you clearly how to make your agency more relevant and how to leverage AI in order to deliver your services even more profitably, more successfully, and provide more value for your clients. So you could, for example, provide a service to create a new website, to create campaigns or an explainer video. These are commoditized services because everyone can do it. You can hire freelancers, you can use AI, they all can do it, right? That's nothing of huge value if you don't relate it to a benefit, to an outcome that is created by these things. Okay, so that is the lowest impact that you can have with a service. And that definitely will be replaceable if it's not even replaced right now with AI. So the next layer is a branded website. Well, that's a bit better. It just looks nicer, but it still has no impact on business results. Okay, so that's not a lot better. What is a bit better is more traffic. But in the end, now you look at your analytics and you see you have more traffic. But if this traffic doesn't convert, again, it doesn't have real value for the business. In other words, it doesn't have an impact on the ultimate goal to grow the business. Okay. Now, more conversions. Well, if this is currently the bottleneck, that they get a lot of traffic, but not enough traffic converts into leads, then this would be better. So conversions is the next layer of impact. More leads, even better, right? Because that is closer to revenue. Or even better, qualified leads, because qualified leads are easier to close, which means revenue and money on your bank account, which contributes to business growth. Or even better, more clients, or the highest impact revenue, or specifically 100K in 6 months. Now, this should just give you an idea of how you can do the same thing, for example, create websites and campaigns, but depending on how good you are and how confident you are to create a real business impact, you can promise a lot more. You can promise up to quality leads or clients, and this is always a demand that businesses will have. And from what I think, in the next 5 to 10 years, this will not be replaced by AI. Otherwise, if every business can just get high quality leads and AI, there is no competitive advantage in using AI anymore. So now there need to be other mechanisms than just using AI to generate high quality leads. And that's what innovation is. So whenever you innovate towards getting clients impact on business growth, leads, qualified leads, clients, or revenue, then you will always stay relevant. And if you position your business to provide this value, and if you just constantly innovate and think which other things you could do, which tools you could use, which processes you could establish in order to get your client this desired result faster, more cost effective, and with more certainty, then you will always be relevant and you will always be one step ahead of your competition if they just sell like the commoditized service and use what everyone does, and then like, yeah, AI is nice, but if everyone use it, you have no competitive advantage anymore. So this is how you use AI or whatever the current trend is right now to provide real business value. And when you do this, you will always earn and grow. No matter if you are a business owner or employed, by the way, it's the same thing. And whenever you can focus on increasing the success rate, this is the orange bar here, then your clients will pay even more and sales closing will be easier and your offers will convert a lot better if you run paid ads. For example, if part of your contract is just selling people, even if you promise that you get them more clients, well, there is a huge discrepancy and clients won't believe you or trust in that if you just sell people time for money, that they will actually get more clients, because there's a huge gap between this to really understand that and rationalize how these people will get you more clients. But if you focus on the right side and that's basically what you guarantee, right? If you just guarantee people time for money, or if you guarantee people plus a process, it's a bit better if your process is, for example, a proven funnel process for a specific industry that gets businesses in this industry more quality leads or clients. Or you focus on the asset, the output that you create. For example, you focus on and you guarantee that you build a sales funnel in 30 days. That is the output, but still, okay, people could expect that a sales funnel generates high quality leads and sales, but it's not guaranteed, it's just a sales funnel. Now you could also guarantee the outcome. Okay, you guarantee that the sales funnel generates 10 high quality leads or even clients in 30 days, right? Or you focus on the ultimate goal, which is, well, I get you 10 high quality leads every month using a digital marketing funnel that I've created that works specifically for this industry. Okay, and if you focus on this, then your agency will always be relevant and you will be able to use technology in order to increase the likelihood of achievement, to decrease the cost for service fulfillment, which makes your agency more profitable, by the way. And that's how you will always stay relevant. All right, that's it for today. I hope this will help you understand how you can make your agency more relevant and thrive no matter where the economy goes or whichever technology pops up that might make agencies irrelevant. If you got some knowledge and some value from this video, I would appreciate if you give me a like and subscribe. You will get more of these high value videos twice a week to ensure your agency or service-based business grows smoothly with AI, automation, and self-managing teams, so you can lean back, see your business grow, and be a real business owner instead of just the busiest person in your business. That's it for today. Cheers and happy scaling.